Hey guys, how are you today? Bitcoin Kid here. It is January 12th, 2021, and we are looking at Bitcoin is starting to go back up from the big dip that happened on Monday. Went down all the way to 30,000 and change, and now it has been going back up again. It hit like 36,000 for like a couple minutes or so, and then it went back down. Now we're looking at right now 34,960. So we are just waiting, and this is what I was saying about doing the selling of profits. Just wait until it goes above your capital, your initial investment. So we're just gonna hold. I haven't sold anything really since like Monday, and again I haven't sold anything yet because I'm still underneath my initial investment. So I'll show you that in a little bit. But so we're just holding. I mean, we're in this for like a long, the long haul. So if we wait a couple days, maybe a week, you never know, because Bitcoin's so volatile. You just have to be patient with this. And if you just bought in now, let's say you bought in, or let's say you bought in, like Monday when it was 30,000. Well, you could have been potentially making profits as it's been going up and down. Just for the people that have bought in, like I had bought in probably, I don't even know because I had added money in from before, but I've been selling profits. Obviously, that takes away from my capital and the time when I purchased that. So I'm just basically holding at 660. That was my last initial investment. I put in $100, so I was at $660, and right now I'm like about 580, and I'll show you that in a few seconds, few minutes. So I'm just holding for now because basically like my buy-in, you can kind of say, was like at 40. So once this goes back up to 40, I'll be back in the positive again, and then I can start selling. So, but there is a way. Let's say you had just put in like $100 in, I don't know. Let's say when it was like 35,000. You could put in, like let's say, well now technically you could have put in another 100 when um, let's say when you were like on Monday. Let's say that was the case on Monday, and you could have put another $100 in, and so your dollar cost average would have been a lot less, and then you can could have still been it would have been like 33,000. You put it in at 35, 100. You put another 100 in at 30,000, so now your dollar cost average is like you bought it at 32.5, and now it's above 34,000. You could be back in the positive again. But if everybody else, if you had put in money when it was 40,000, you're negative right now. Just hold, okay? That's the point I'm trying to make. So, anyways, but I've been reading some articles, and they've been talking about how a lot of day traders or traders, whatever, are looking to see Bitcoin go to 52,000, 60,000 by the end of the month, by January 29th. So we're the 12th, so a couple, a few weeks away. But I see, possibly maybe in the next, few days we'll go back to 40,000. I mean, we've gone up 5,000 so far since Monday. So that's only been a day. So you see how volatile Bitcoin is. So, but point is, hold for now. Just wait, be patient. If you listen to the last video, I said don't panic sell. I didn't sell. I just left it the same, and you can basically, we'll see. I'll show you in a moment how much money I had lost, and if I sold all, which I didn't. So I'm hodling right now, and then soon to be day trading it again. So, anyways, just wanted to update you on what Bitcoin's doing and what possibly it can go up to. So we're just again in this for the long haul. So just be patient, and we're gonna get back up there again. So stay tuned for a moment. I'm gonna go over some other things that I'm doing in the Cash App, where you can actually buy stocks. So I've been taking some of my my profits and been putting into the stock market on Cash App, and it's pretty easy to use. And I've been buying things like Amazon, Apple, a new company, electric car company in China called NIO, Tesla, only a few bucks. I probably have like maybe 60, 70, 80 bucks, but it's a start. So this is something you guys can think about as well, to start putting some money into those kind of safer bets for the long haul, because that's really what we're trying to create here, is like, financial freedom, and trying to save for the future, and make money. And that's what we're trying to do here for you. At least that's what I'm trying to do. Okay. But anyways, stay tuned for a second. I'm gonna go show you some of those things. Hey guys, so here we're back with the Cash App, and we are looking into our Bitcoin account over here. So you click on the little B for Bitcoin, and let's take a look. Okay, so just to kind of show you what I was talking about earlier on the video, was that my investment was 660. That was like the last where my starting point was. And that was about like 40,000. It was like 40,000, so it should probably get up there in a little bit. And that was my starting point. So if it would go up 660, $3, $5, that's when I would start selling. Okay. But it has dipped, obviously, of course, because now we're at 35,000. But this was a lot less when we were at 30,000. So, let's say this goes up 10%. So that would be another 3,500. So that'd be like 39,000. This will go up another 10%, $60, which will get me a lot closer. So it probably has to go up another 15%. So we probably got to get like 40, 41, and I'll be back positive again. And then we can, resume selling. So in the meantime, I'm just kind of holding steady, and I'm not selling anything. And we're just, who knows? Like I said, in one day, like we've already gone up 35,000 since Monday. Excuse me, $5,000. We've already got up to 35,000. We've got up $5,000 since Monday, and tomorrow could be another $5,000, and so forth and so on. So, anyways, so we're here right now, and we're holding off. And in case this is your first video you're watching, look into my videos. There's a beginner tutorial that you can watch, and you can kind of see, like, and especially if you're starting from right now, like let's say you just bought Bitcoin right now. I would probably wait a little bit, because this has gone up to 36, it's gone down to 34. Wait a little bit to see where it kind of bottoms out, then buy in, and then go from there. But don't be surprised right now to see if if you put $100 in and it dips like a few dollars, just because Bitcoin's so volatile right now. But it is a good time to buy more Bitcoin if you've already had money in the account already. Just because, look, 33,869. It's dropping. Your cost dollar average would be reduced when you buy more Bitcoin, when it's lower than what we were at our all-time high, 41,000. That's of course okay. So, but I wanted to show you something else. If you take a look at this tab right here, it says stocks. This is what I've been doing as well. I've been taking some of my profits, and you can see like this. Let me show you my portfolio. It's actually gone up. I've invested $78. $2 gain, no big deal, but hey, that's $2 I didn't have from before. But let me kind of show you my portfolio of what I've been doing. This is Chinese new electric car company called NIO. It's actually up. I think I bought it at $28. Let's take a look. Total, my daily return, daily percentage, total investment. Let's see if I click on this. Okay. Let's see. Friday I bought $28, so you can see that. So it has gone up. This is selling, price per share 63, so it was $58 when I bought it. So you can see that it has gone up. So Friday I bought $28. I got a $2.47 gain because I invested $28, so that's pretty cool. What else? We got Tesla here. Let's see. Let's take a look at Tesla. I initially invested $16. Okay, it's only gone up 4 cents, but hey, it's going up. We've got Walmart here. I invested $10. It's gone up 14 cents. And Amazon actually has gone down. I invested 10. I'm actually negative 27 cents, but that's okay. Apple, same thing with Apple. I invested 10. It's gone down 40 cents. And McDonald's, I did $4 the other day. $4. I'm down 7 cents. So you can see that some of this still averages out, and I'm total gain from $78 invested $1.95. Okay. Some people have asked, okay, can you do the same thing with cashing out the profit? It is possible, but I'm gonna for now just hold, and I'm going to take some of my profits and put it into these stocks, like obviously to create a portfolio for myself for the future, and wait and see, because some of these stocks can blow up, like this NIO. You know, right now it's $58. Who knows? What if it's the next Tesla and it goes up, you know, to $7, $8, $900? That would be great. So you know, right now the stock is about $63. So that's a good stock to buy. You don't have to buy a complete stock like Tesla. Tesla's stock is like, what is it, like $852. I only bought $10, but I'm going to slowly start building this up from some of the profits that I take from the Bitcoin, and just put into like a more secure, you know, kind of stable long-term investment with some stocks, and you know, and go from there. You know, I'm not going too crazy. Just putting, you know, some extra funds whenever I have it in these investments. I'm going to continue to grow this portfolio because you never know when one of these might really skyrocket. And you know, and some of the, like for example, like Tesla, you know, this split in the summer when I was looking at this, I think it was like, yeah, it was like 1,500, and then they split the stock, and you got like four stocks per every four shares for every one share that you bought, or however that worked out. But anyways, it went from 1,500, it split, then it was like, after the split it was like 300 and change, and if I would have bought one Tesla stock at 300, and now you see it's like at 850, you know, it's more than doubled, you know, almost tripled. So those are, you know, things to look out for as well. So anyways, so just kind of wanted to go over that. Someone had asked me to see what we're doing with stocks. Start taking some of your profits and invest in the stocks as well, and you can see that grow slowly but surely as well. All right, guys, thank you so much. Appreciate it. Let's keep taking a look at Bitcoin and see, you know, see if it's going up, and it definitely will go up, and we just got to keep at it. All right, guys, let's do this. Have a great day.